Guys, my name is Aiden and I'll be doing a Minecraft video. As you can see, I got TNT here. I got to sleep. I'm just going to sleep. And I got swiftness on me. I want to get through this block. I'm like Sonic Dash. Wait, I'm going in the wrong way. I'm Sonic. I better keep swiftness on me. There you go. And I'm actually in creative, so this won't hurt me a bit. But we're just gonna go through this whole thing that I built. You're trapped in here. You can only get out from that, but which one's which? Which one sets off this place? Which one does? Well, look at this one. Diamond blocks! Ah! Would you like some diamond blocks? Yes, I would. With the diamond blocks. I'm gonna pick up this. Oh, 31. It's diamond block day! Yay! It's firing. It is firing out loads of diamond blocks like, ugh! It's like tears. How many diamonds would I get if I keep flipping this lever? Let's get a crafting table and let's see how many diamonds we'll go into. Where are diamonds? Oh! Loud! I'm getting stacks. Oh, I'm rich of diamonds. Man, do I get just stacks? No, I got 16 here. Yeah, but this one, you probably know. Oh! Bam! The whole place would blow up in one TNT. Did you see that TNT that just flew through my face? Oh! I'm trying to run through this. I can't even get through. Why? The only thing that's left of this castle is just one stair. Oh! Parkour. Let's do it. Oh, man. Well, now we can do... Loads of day. This is what I can do with Legos. Oh, I can do this too. Whatever. Let's go. And if I get 1,000 likes, I will do a bigger explosion. This is gonna be big, but next one, well, like, I'm gonna be in not flat land, but this one I'm in flat land. Look! Oh, went down. I'm going so far away. Did it destroy the lever? Can levers float? Break it. TNT! This is gonna be a pretty big explosion. Just giant. Last time, like, you can make, like, models and stuff. Wait. What, does this look like anything? Last time it looked like a baby Yoshi hatching from an egg. Set it up. Oh, set off 3. I go really far. That never would happen to me. It just went flying up. Did you guys see that pig? He just fell down. It was like, oh, and just fell down. He just fell down into the hole and then died. Wow, that was so funny. Da, da, da. TNTs? How many? Someone said upload. Yep, that's loads. Like, oh man. Look at that. Did you see that TNT? What the? That's lag. What does this look like? Does it look like anything? Like weird. So weird. I want to make something. If I could make something out of TNT, there's some. Wait, I could make like a Yoshi on the ground. That could be. Get out of here. You're not in the video. You're not even a person. You shouldn't be in the video. I got slime interrupt. Yoshi. Ugh. That's really funny. Oh, that's got all three. It's like Yoshi is like, oh man, that went everywhere. Look at the holes, like, what does this look like? I thought it looked like something. I think when the holes started, it messed me up. Why do I keep saying messed me up. I can make a whole bridge. Go through the bridge, da 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 da. No, there's just a blow up. Pull lever to get good luck. Ooh, cool bridge. Let's just go across it. Oh! That was awesome. Did you see how I just like went on the bridge and then I just went like, I just ran. It kind of looks like a person, like his foot is there, like doing karate. Just ignore those holes. Just like leave that as a foot. And then his head's all the way up there, and then his arms are like up, like, whoop. And I think we can make, let's try and see if obsidian can break again. Nah, I'm gonna make a dirt house. Once I just like saw one of those spawn, it was weird. It was weird. Really, really, really weird. I'm just gonna build one this time. Yesterday, which was Saturday, I made a dirt underground house, and I was pretending I didn't know there was TNT, and like pranks. And I want to put a chicken in here. Last time I had a chicken underground. Last time I built like a dumpy dump thingy. I'm gonna do something funny. Wait, why did I put a web? Don't worry if I get something I messed up to get. Go at my dirt house, which is kind of boring. Find the TNT. This is what I did to my friend once. They'll never join me